Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. It's me again, Teacher Kent. And today we're gonna be continuing about the different flags of the world, especially the ones that we might find in our book. But don't worry, class, it seems that we will be going back to school next week. So that means that we can see each other, and if you have any more questions, you can just ask me in person. Now, reminder, many students did not have speaking test scores because they were not online. And if they are online, when I try and call them, they do not answer. So that means they have 0 or incomplete speaking test. So the first week of class, we're gonna review, and then I'm going to have speaking test to make sure that there are scores for all of you. Now, let's continue where we left off last time. But we're gonna review first what we talked about around the world. So we had about 5 or 6 countries that we learned last time. The first one is this. What country is this? I think you know this country pretty well because it is your country. It's your own country, class. It's Thailand, right? And how do we spell Thailand? T-H-A-L-A-N-D, Thailand. Now, remember our book? What do you call people from Thailand? They are called Thai. Yes, people from Thailand, they are called Thai. And what language do they speak? They speak English. That's right. People from Thailand speak English. Sorry, not just English, but also Thai. They speak English and Thai, but they speak Thai more. So that means you should learn more English. Let's continue to the next country. What flag of which country is this? What country is this, class? I think you know this already. We saw this. This is Australia. This flag is the country of Australia. Look at it. There's like a United Kingdom flag at the corner, and there's a lot of stars, especially one star at the bottom. That's Australia. Australia. And how do you spell Australia? It's A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A. Australia. This country is called Australia. And what do we call people from Australia? People from Australia are called Australians. Okay? People from Australia are called Australians. And what language do Australians speak? What language do you think Australians speak? Well, they speak English. Australians, they speak English. What country is this? This big star in the middle. This is Vietnam. How do we spell Vietnam? It's V-I-E-T-N-A-M. Vietnam. Yes, the big yellow star in the middle of the red flag is called Vietnam. And what do people What are people of Vietnam called? They are called Vietnamese. That's right. People from Vietnam are called Vietnamese. And what do Vietnamese people speak? What do Vietnamese people speak? Well, Vietnamese people, they also speak Vietnamese. Or the people from Vietnam, they speak Vietnamese. So it's the same. The people and the language, they are both the same. Vietnamese. Let's continue to the next one. This one. What country is this flag, class? What country do you think is this flag? This is the flag of Mexico. Yes, this is the flag of Mexico. And how do you spell Mexico? It's M-E-X-I-C-O. Mexico. Again, one more time. It's M-E-X-I-C-O. Mexico. Mexico. What are people from Mexico called? What do you call people from Mexico? If you listen to me during our online class last Friday, you would know what are people from Mexico called. They are called Mexicans, okay? Mexicans. The people from Mexico are called Mexicans. And what language do they speak? What language do you think Mexicans speak? We also talked about this during our online class. The Mexicans, they speak Spanish, okay? Mexicans, they speak Spanish. Okay, let's continue. This one. What country is this, class? I think all of you know this country, or at least know of the name of the country. For those of you who don't know what country this is the United States of America, or USA. USA. This is USA's flag. Now, how do you spell America? Because people, they usually just say America and they know already what country that is. So how do you spell America? It's A-M-E-R-I-C-A. America. Okay? Again, A-M-E-R-I-C-A. America. The United States of America. Now, what are people from America called? Or what are the people from America called? They are called Americans. Okay, they are called Americans. And what language do you think they speak? What language do you think they speak, class? They speak English, of course. People from America, they speak English. And I think that's the extent we got last time. Oh, we got another one. What country is this? What country is this? This country is called Brazil. Okay, this country is called Brazil. And how do you spell Brazil? It's B-R-A-Z-I-L. Brazil. Okay, it's B-R-A-Z-I-L. Brazil. Okay, this is called Brazil. And we haven't talked about this yet, but we're going to talk about it next meeting. People from Brazil, they are called Brazilians. Okay, people from Brazil, they are called Brazilians. And what do you think they speak? They speak Portuguese. Okay, people from Brazil, they speak Portuguese. Don't worry, it's a big word. We will learn how to spell it when we have class this coming Friday. Next, what country do you think this is? This flag of this country is called, no, this is France, okay? F-R-A-N-C-E, France. And what are people from France called? They are called French, okay? People from France are called French. Let's go to the next country. What country is this? This country is the United Kingdom or the UK. United Kingdom or UK. I think a lot of you will go to UK when you graduate. When you want to go to another country, a lot of Thais tend to visit the United Kingdom or UK. Now, what are people from the United Kingdom called? What are the people from the United Kingdom are called? They are called British. Okay? People from the United Kingdom are called British. And how do you spell British? It's B-R-I-T-I-S-H. British, okay? People from the United Kingdom, they are called British. Now, what language do you think British people speak? What language do you think British people speak? They speak English, okay? The people from the United Kingdom speak English. Let's continue. This is my favorite country class. What country do you think this is? What country do you think this is? This country is called the Philippines. The Philippines. And how do we spell Philippines? It's P-H-I-L-I-P-P-I-N-E-S. Philippines, okay? The country is called Philippines. And for those of you who don't know, this is my country. This is where I come from, Philippines. And what are people from the Philippines called? They are called Filipinos, okay? I am a Filipino. This country, the people from this country are called Filipinos. And what language do they speak? They speak Tagalog. Okay, that is what we speak in the Philippines. We speak Tagalog. And that is it for today. I hope you learned some flags that you didn't know about, just like the Philippines. I hope you find it fun, and I will see you on Friday. Goodbye, class.